Hey guys, Shadow here. There's Pink Bunny, but he's going to record from a different side. I'm going to record mine. But we're not going to hold him, okay? I'm going to do a Nerf war. It's pretty awesome. So, I don't have much battery, so I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys right there. My face. Woo. Okay, Hey, do you got some tape?
No.
Here, I'll give you some.
Hey guys, this is Pink Bunny Shadow Camera. Over here we've got shadows. This is what the I don't know where I put mine in. Alright, found it. I can't even look at more tape than that. It's going to fall off.
Can you hold that real quick? I'll hold it.
That's it. It's all tape.
Go ahead and put it on.
That's not going to stay. Oh, you have to put it right here. Technical difficulties. Excuse us.
I'm going to tape you in case you fall.
Okay, I don't know how good you can see us.
Yeah, I really don't know if you could see us that well. You're probably pointing that way, you know. But here we go.
It's pretty daggone bright.
It doesn't matter.
And we're gonna do this one as a first person to 2 hits. No, first person to 1 hit dies.
Sad stuff, boy. Ready?
Safety first.
Okay.
Start. Yeah, I'm good.
Ready, set, go! Whoa!
Any type of hit counts.
Can't use ammo. Shoot, you shoot.
I know, I just hit the freaking side of the wall.
Oh, like it.
Hit.
Like it.
That's it.
Well, guys, that's all. 2 different cameras.
Winner.
He wins like always, like crazy. Well, See you guys. Shout out there. Speed Bunny.